tired, not just in my body, but deep in my soul. I fought battles nobody saw, cried tears I couldn't explain, but somehow I'm still here. And I know it's only because you never left me. Lord, I am tired, my strength is fading. This road is long, my heart is aching. I've tried to stand, but I keep falling. Still I hear your voice calling. In the silence, in the pain, through the loss and through the rain, even when I feel alone, you remind me I'm not on my own. Lord, I am tired, but I'm still holding on. I may be weak, but you are strong. When I can't walk, you carry me through every storm. You cover me. I won't give up, I won't give in, 'cause I know you're with me till the end. You saw me when nobody else did. You heard me when I couldn't even pray. And when I felt like giving up, you gave me just enough strength to breathe again. Some nights I fall down on my knees with broken words and desperate pleas. No answers come, no light I see, but somehow you keep holding me. Through every doubt, through every fear, even when you feel so far you're near. You never change, you stay the same, forever faithful, call my name. Lord, Lord, I am tired, but I'm still holding on. Oh, I may be weak, but you are strong. When I can't walk, you carry me through every storm. You cover me. I won't give up, I won't give in, 'cause I know you're with me till the end. Even here, in my weakness, you are my strength. Even here, in my breaking, you are my peace. Lord, I am tired, but I'm still holding on. I may be weak, but you are strong. When I can't walk, you carry me through every storm. You cover me. I won't give up, I won't give in, 'cause I know you're with me I'm tired.